Once upon a bustling Lagos morning, Ada stood at the edge of the crowded market, her eyes scanning the sea of faces. She whispered to herself, "Today has to be different." Suddenly, a shout rang out, "Watch out!" And a small boy darted past, nearly knocking her over. Ada laughed softly. "Careful there, little one." Her heart raced with excitement as she followed a trail of colorful fabrics, her hands brushing against the vibrant textures. As the sun peeked through the tall buildings, she knew this day would hold more surprises than she ever imagined. And with a determined smile, Ada stepped forward, ready to embrace every twist and turn the city had in store.
The video you just saw is a short story about Ada at a bustling Lagos market. So today I'm going to show you how to generate a story like that. Now, there are different ways for you to generate that story. First of all, have an idea, draft out your idea, write everything out, and generate the pictures and then the voiceover. The reason why I'm doing this video for you is to show you a powerful TTS tool. I know I thought that the last video about TTS was going to be the last one, but I thought I should show you this tool for those people that are into folktale stories and they are following up this channel, because it is this tool that gives you the native voiceover. You can hear that sound, like the voice, right? It's sounding like a typical Nigeria. Many of the TTS too, you will not see Nigerian voice there. You see only the America and the rest other countries. But it is difficult for you to see a voice that is sounding like a typical Nigeria.
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly. A young woman sits alone, staring at a blank screen.
So today I want to show you how to do a voice, how to get a voice that at least sound, if not entirely Nigerian, but let's just say at least 90%, and that is a pass mark. So the first thing I did is to come to this, like ChatGPT as always. I came to this place and I said, act as a professional script writer. Let me take a screenshot so that I can put it on the screen. Act as a professional script writer. Prepare me a script for a voiceover using Google's Gemini's native generation. The narrator should tell the story clearly and describe actions. This is everything. Include personality shifts in tone and pitch for different characters. Use a female voice, Amaka, a 25-year-old voiceover artist with a Nigerian accent. So let's just practice everything, okay? So that is the first thing I said. Now, let's start a new chat and practice everything, okay? So, let's go. So you just have to paste that and allow ChatGPT to write us the voiceover. We are writing the voiceover first for this particular pattern I'm showing you. The voiceover is what we are writing first. So this is short, might be maybe just 20 seconds. Okay, there is no problem. So we're gonna copy this voiceover like this and take it to Google AI Studio. Now we're gonna bring it to Google AI Studio. This is Google AI Studio, our all-time favorite. Now you can see that this section is for the images. Just go to your right like this and you're gonna see audio. So you click on, before you click on anything, let's set it to desktop side because this mobile side doesn't show us everything. So we'll set it at desktop side like this. When we set it at desktop side, we might have to zoom into it, then go back since it has taken us back. Okay, so you click on the first one. You can use any one. Okay, So it's going to show you this interface. This interface says multi-speaker audio, but it is just a single speaker. A single speaker is the narrator. This is not a dialogue. This is just a narration. So we're gonna click single speaker studio. When we click on single speaker studio, then we paste the text we copied from ChatGPT exactly as it is. Then in this sector, you can choose the voices that you want. This is the only female voices here. The remaining ones are male voices. You can test run them, okay?
Ready to build something awesome today?
Got a project in mind? What do you want to explore?
So you can text run on. This is the only female voice, and this is the one I love. So we're gonna use this. The next thing is to click on run, and it is going to start generating. You can see it's even telling you to cancel generation if you don't want to generate it again. So we're just gonna wait here. It takes a lot of time, like maybe depending on how lengthy your voiceover is, this takes time. Even for the 25 seconds or maybe 1 minute, it takes time. It is not like the other platform that just takes less than seconds to generate. So we're just gonna wait for it, okay? Now after some time, it's ready. We can play it.
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly. A young woman sits alone, staring at a blank screen. It's up. Click.
So you can just download it.
Just a video. It's a decision, a choice to be seen.
So you can just download. That's just 2.80 MB. It's gonna be short. So now that we have our voiceover, we're gonna head back to. Now that our voice is ready and we've downloaded it, we're gonna come back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to do this. We're gonna tell ChatGPT to now write out all the scenes in this piece. Okay, it's just gonna write everything out for you like this. Okay, this is scene 2, this is scene 3, 4, 5, 6. It's long. Oh, 8. Okay, that is just 8. Now that we have the scene, the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to ask ChatGPT to describe all the characters on the scene. Anything you do first is okay between describing the characters and describing the scenes. So let's give that to ChatGPT. Okay, so this is Amaka. This is the young woman. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is 4. This is 5. Okay. Okay. Now the next thing is to draft detailed prompt to generate all the characters. Generating all the characters separately like this helps you to generate them together. You know, you have to, like, you know, even on a movie, you have to know each character before characters that have to act together on a scene start coming together. So for this for AI, it's the same thing. Okay, so this is all the characters. This is the characters, 6 of them, right? Okay, 5 of them. So the next thing is write prompt to generate all the scenes, which is the last part of it. So this is it. Okay, so you can see ChatGPT has already put 16:19 ratio. So this is everything. Now the next thing I did is to generate my images. I told us the other time that the best tool to generate images for stories like this might just be Wix AI. So this is my Wix AI, and this is the other work you saw, the video you saw at the beginning of this video. So I can just go here and start a new project. Okay, this is the interface when you are on the mobile, when you are on the desktop view. So now we'll go to ChatGPT and copy the first character. We're gonna like generate the first characters first, like I said. Okay, so we're gonna generate this first character. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so before you generate, you might have to want to set all these things. Sorry, I didn't do that. Okay, it's okay, it's good, it's good, it's good. Okay, the aspect ratio still good. Okay, I love both. You can download any one you want to download. So I love this one. Just zoom in and download it like this. So that is it. Then the character 2 is the young woman, the protagonist. Okay, let's go. There is no need for you, like this whole project can take in everything. I like the way Wix AI do everything, that you can see all your work on a particular project in one place like this. Okay, so this is, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the first one again, so I'm just gonna download that. Okay, so then I'll come to the second one. That is how you're gonna do generate all the images. So go and get yours done while I do mine, and I'll come back when I'm done.
A few moments later.
Now I've generated all the scenes, and the ones that I couldn't generate once, I made them twice. Like those that didn't go through once, I generated them twice. So now everything is ready, and the next step is to go back to ChatGPT and see what we are doing next. Now is to generate everything scene by scene. Scene by scene means putting the characters into where they are supposed to be, right? So we are going to start with the first character. Okay, the first scene, as ChatGPT has just told us. This is the first one. Now it's involved, let's see who it's involved. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, it's involved the main character, which is this woman here. This woman, like this woman, you know, this woman is the narrator, this woman is the one acting. Okay, so we're gonna come in here into this subject and add a picture. Okay, so we'll just wait for it to analyze. We'll just wait for it. Wait. Okay, now that it has analyzed, before you click send, make sure this dot is make sure it is ticked. Okay, make sure you tick it. Don't just, if you do anything without ticking it, nothing will work. So you click on this place like this. Okay, then wait for your generation to be out. Hold on. Okay, literally still generated the same thing for us, which is not bad. Let's see, we can, it's the same thing, so we can edit this. Okay, we can edit this. Let's remove this low bun. That is why with braid, let's use only braid. Let's use braid. Remove this. A cinematic wide shot of, okay, let's put, I think that is okay. That is okay. Let's regenerate it so that it will give us something different, you know. Let's regenerate it. Okay, let's wait. I still don't like it. I still don't. I'm going to make sure I change it. Okay, so I prefer this blue color, so I love this. So now I'll go to scene 2. Scene 2 said focusing on the okay, so I'll just copy this, then I'll still use a picture. Okay, a picture is still there. Let's, you know, working on this is working on the desktop side from your mobile is always very, you just have to like manage. Okay, so wait for that to generate. That is how you're just gonna generate all your scenes. Anyone that you did not like, anyone that's not giving you what you want, the vibe, anything, you can change it. So I love this one. I love it. So I'll go to the next one. So that is it. So now all the scenes are ready. You can decide to animate them. For my own, I didn't animate any. You can see they were just still images. But if you want to animate any of your own, you can take them to Grok and animate them. So the next thing is for you to put in all your clips into an editing app. And for this video, we're gonna be using CapCut. So this is our CapCut. We're just gonna come in like this and start going in with our pictures. Okay, first of all, the narrator. Okay, then this one, let's go in with the 2 first. Where is our audio? Going with our sound. Now if you go, I want to quickly add something. If you go in with the voice that Google native speech generated for you, you're gonna have issues editing it. That speech is suitable if you know you're not gonna be doing much of editing, but since I want to do a couple of editing, make the scenes match the voice note, I am going to convert the speech into something better, which is MP3. So let's go to Chrome first. We'll go to Chrome, go to download. This is the speech. Rename it. Let's rename it day 29. So we're gonna rename it. Then we'll go to Google, any of the browsers. Since our Chrome is under use, we use this. We'll click on MP3 converter. I taught us how to use this before. They say I visit it often. So we come to this and choose the file. We just saved it, right? Go to go to audio. This week we just saved it as day 29 and allow it to convert. So we'll just convert it. If I try editing with without converting it, it's gonna be breaking. It's gonna be too stressful. So it is better for you to convert it to MP3 because it is currently at WAV. So you convert it to MP3. So just download it. It's downloaded. Okay. So this is it.
My name is Amaka.
Okay. So now we're gonna put this back into. We're gonna take this to CapCut. Now let's go back so everything can refresh. Okay. So we go to device and what did we use? Day 29. Okay, so now we have the MP3 and we have the wave. So we'll click on the MP3. That is what we're gonna be using.
My name is Amaka. This
Okay.
story
Okay, so we're gonna.
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly.
Okay, so I want to animate Amaka. I want to animate her. Okay, so we'll go to Grok and get that done. So we'll just come to Grok and get that done. Go to let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, let's just try. Let's put it and see what Grok can do for us without a prompt. First, Sometimes not giving Grok a prompt, it actually gives sweet things. It gives amazing results. So let's check. It might animate this into a fashion video. Since let's see what it gives us. Okay. So I've seen that not giving Grok prompt sometimes can give you super results. So let's just see. Let's see.
Hello.
Hello.
It's wonderful to connect with you.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
I kind of
It's
love
wonderful
it.
to connect with you.
I love weird things. But it's cool, so we can delete this and put the one we just animated. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So we're gonna remove that voice.
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly. A young woman.
Okay. This is good. I want to take some part
Story
of the middle.
begins.
Let me take some part of this side out. Okay.
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly. A young woman sits alone, staring at a blank screen.
Okay, I love it. So if you want to animate your own, you can just go ahead and animate all of it. If you don't want to animate them, there is no problem. Okay, so I want to animate some part, and maybe I think
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly. A young
Okay, so that is just it. That is the workflow for this particular project. So I'm gonna see you again after I've finished putting all my clips together.
One eternity later.
Now I am done animating and putting all my clips together and doing some basic editing, which I've already taught all of us. Okay, so this is the interface again. Like, this is everything I've generated. I'm trying to check on this tool, so I want to tell you this. I'm trying to check on this tool if there is a place you can save your work, you know, for what's it called, for AI Google Studio. There is a place where all your works are. Okay, so I'm just trying to check if there is a place. Okay, this is for January. Okay, fine. So this is the work we just do. Okay, so that is under library. You're gonna see all the work you've done before. I thought there is no place to like save it. Thank God. That is why I keep telling you that when I introduce a tool for you, make sure you go through everything. If you can go through, like, take some time and go through everything. I just found out that there is a place you can save, you can see your saved works. Okay, so this is very, very amazing. This is super cool. I love it so much. So this is everything we've worked on today. Okay, I love it. So let me just go back, and there is another thing I saw here. I saw save, download all images. So let's try. Let's see if all these images are gonna download inside my gallery all at once. Okay, 24 MB. Okay, let's see. All the images are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 44. There are a total of 44. So let's check here. 44. Okay, maybe this is it. Okay, wow. So this is a zip file. If you use Microsoft Word a lot, if you're familiar with the system, like, you're gonna know what a zip file is. Just carrying all your file, putting it inside a zip, like just one folder like that. So this is everything here. So if I want to see all the pictures, I will have to extract this file first. So zip file is used when you want many people to get something fast. So you just like put them up. It's just like putting them up in a folder. I think that's the best way for me to explain what a zip file is. You can carry all your pictures, put them up, like zip them off, then each person. Like, it makes the file like transportable, let me put it that way. Yeah, it makes it easy to move. So all your 200 picture, you can zip them up and you have that link. So if you send it to anyone, the person just have to like extract the files. So if I click on this extract, I'm gonna see all the pictures, all the 40 plus pictures, and they're gonna be on my gallery. So I don't it's okay, the zip file can still here. Okay, so that is just it. Now the basic editing on your video, it's up to you to do it the way you want it. Put your caption, put everything you want to put. Make this thing no try me. I don't edit well. No try me, I beg. So I've put all my own together, so you can do the same to yours. Do the basic editing, put anything you
brave, quiet action. And this is that moment.
Okay, so you can just put anything you want to do, anything at all. So you're gonna put them up together, put your caption, put anything, put your music. I already taught us the basic editing, and literally that is just it. I'm gonna be playing my video at the end of this. Remember, this is day 29. I'm so happy. One more video and we'll call this a wrap. Thank you so much for doing this with me, and don't forget that there will be a next series. You can join that. People are already in the class, and let's keep it rolling. I love you so much. Have a great day and stay safe.
My name is Amaka. This story begins quietly. A young woman sits alone, staring at a blank screen. Her fingers hover, then pull back. She exhales. In her mind, doubt whispers, "What if nobody listens?" But another voice rises, calmer, stronger. What if this is where everything begins? She straightens her back. Her hands move. The screen lights up. Click. This isn't just a video. It's a decision. A choice to be seen. A choice to speak. A choice to start before perfection. And in that moment, something shifts. Not the world. Not yet. But her. Because every big journey always starts with one brave, quiet action. And this is that moment.